Hello everyone. Before we get into the morning routine and why I do what I do, first of all, I wanted to remind you to stay to the end of the video because at the end of the video is a special treat. RJ is going to play the guitar and sing us a song, and then Josie is practicing her piano skills and she's got a song for us too. So be sure and stay tuned for that. Thank you. Hello everyone, it's Ann from Piney Woods Homestead, and today's video is going to be about morning routines. We have a morning routine that we follow during the summertime. It lends itself to different seasons. We change and we adjust as needed. Animals, gardening, circumstances, changing light. You know, it's getting dark so late. It's getting daylight early in the mornings. So our routine changes as the days go by, especially it seems that our summer routine really has to rearrange itself because of the heat. I have some notes that I'm going to check so that I don't forget anything. We like to walk, or I like to walk rather, early in the morning time when it's cool. And that, after I read my Bible, allows me time to reconnect and recharge with the Lord. I can pray and I can lift up things to Him. I can thank Him. I can give Him praise and honor for what He's done. And then I can supplement my prayers, supplication. Supplication is whenever you lift up someone to the Lord, you pray for others. And that's a good time for me to do that, is when I'm walking in the early morning time. When I'm looking around and I see creation and it's so beautiful, and it's just amazing to see the sun coming out, to see those early morning sun rays, to see the mist rising off of the water. It's just a time of recharging and reconnecting in the mornings with my Lord and Savior. And I wouldn't want to miss that for anything in the world. And the best time I've found for me to do that is early in the morning, especially in the heat. In the summertime, it's a good way to work around that and be able to still walk. Not to mention it's good for the body, it's good for exercise, and it's good for mental health as well. It always makes me feel better to walk early in the mornings. But the very first thing that I do, reading the Bible, is very, very important. That's when I connect with truth, and that's what I need. And that's, to get up and connect with truth first thing in the morning sets my course for the whole day. I'm so much more on track and ready to go with things. I've been listening to the Biblical Womanhood podcast with Heidi, the Heavenly Homemaker channel, and I've been really enjoying that. And some of the weekly lessons have talked about recharging and reconnecting, and then she links to a pastor who is just doing a wonderful job of explaining all of these biblical concepts in Titus 2. And then in this week, we've been in Colossians. So my mind has been focusing on that, and I'm able to think through those things as I take my morning walk, and then go over them first thing whenever I read my Bible. Here's RJ and Josie singing Victory in Jesus. Thank you everyone for watching the video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. Thank you.